Hey guys, it's almost time for Halloween, so let's learn how to draw a pumpkin. With my marker, or pencil, whatever you decide to use, we're going to draw a big circle right in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's okay. Alright, right here at the top of the pumpkin, we're going to draw two curved lines. And that's going to be the stem of the pumpkin. To connect these two lines, I'm going to do a circle or an oval right in between them to connect them. Now for my favorite part, we're going to draw the eyes. My favorite pumpkin to do is triangle eyes and a triangle nose, just like this. My triangle nose is going to go right underneath, in between the two triangles that we have for the eyes. For the mouth, I'm going to do a curved line here, a three-sided square for one of the teeth, another curved line, just like that. I'm going to curve another line on the bottom, for the bottom of his mouth, with another three-sided square, another line to connect, another three-sided square, and we're going to close off the mouth by drawing the last curved line of the mouth, just like that. To give it some dimension, guys, when you guys carve a pumpkin, you guys normally see the inside wall of the pumpkin, right? So let's give it some thickness. This is going to serve as the wall of the pumpkin. Kind of like you're looking inside of the pumpkin. And now we're going to fill in these spots. Fill in the small triangle here in the eye, and this eye, and in the nose, just like that. Now we're going to fill in the mouth. There. Now another one of my favorite parts is adding the details of the pumpkin. So obviously with the pumpkin, it's got some ridges, so we're going to add some curved lines to the side of the pumpkin's head here. And I like to give him some breaks just to kind of give it some character. Just like that, right up to the middle. We're going to do the same thing but on the other side, and feel free to change up your lines. They all don't have to be the same, they could all be different. Just like that. And one down the middle, but try not to draw over the nose or the mouth of your pumpkin. I'm going to add some lines here to the stem of the pumpkin. And you know what, let's add in a leaf. We'll do a curly vine with a green leaf, or we'll make it green. There you go. Now we're going to color it. I'm going to use my markers to color, but you could feel free to use anything you want. Color, pencils, crayons, markers. But just remember, if you're using a marker, sometimes if it gets too wet, you could tear the paper. So feel free to use whatever you want. I'm going to speed this process up right here. Guys, there's your jack-o'-lantern. Thanks for watching.